Welcome to our YouTube channel Shifter System Technologies. Today's topic is the impact of technology in daily life. Let's see how we introduce it. Technology weaves itself into everyday routines, offering convenience through AI assistants and smart devices, immersion via AR/VR. Technology and us. Technology is an external tool or system created by humans to extend our capabilities and make tasks easier. It is an invention that does not have emotions or free will of its own. It is meant to serve and assist humans. Humans, on the other hand, are living beings with emotions, free will, and the ability to think and make choices. We are the creators and users of technology. Some specific differences. Origins. Technology is human-made, designed, and engineered. Humans are natural beings, a product of biological evolution. Consciousness and emotions. Technology lacks self-awareness, emotions, and the ability to experience the world subjectively. Humans have a conscious experience, feelings, and can perceive the world through senses. Decision-making. Technology operates based on its programming and available data inputs. Humans have agency, the ability to make choices, override logic with moral ethical judgments. Adaptability. Technology follows fixed rules and logic until updated or replaced. Humans can adapt, learn, grow, and evolve their knowledge and behaviors over time. How technology impacting our daily lives. Artificial intelligence and automation. Technology acts as a tool and force multiplier, enhancing human capabilities. Allows for remote work, virtual collaboration, and access to global information. Enables breakthroughs in fields like healthcare, renewable energy, transportation. Potential for technology to be disruptive if not implemented responsibly. Humans design, develop, and control the trajectory of technological progress. Critical thinking, creativity, and emotional skills give humans an advantage over machines. Social and ethical frameworks required to ensure technology benefits humanity. Human-AI collaboration models emerging in various domains. Examples: Internet of Things, IoT. Getting a notification from your smart fridge at the grocery store that you're running low on milk because it's been keeping an eye on expiration dates and inventory levels. Your smartwatch continuously analyzes your health-related measures and also count your heart rate and other things, which helps you to report your health daily. Virtual and augmented reality. Immersive VR gaming and experiences. We are training simulations for skills practice. AR virtual try-on for clothing product customization. Photorealistic virtual concerts with artist avatars. 3D AR animations bringing children's books alive. Virtual office spaces for remote collaboration. AR guided instructions for repairs assembly. 5G and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. 5G, 10 Gbps speeds enabling near-instant HD downloads uploads. 1 millisecond ultra-low latency for real-time use cases like autonomous vehicles. Wi-Fi 6, up to 9.6 gigabits per second throughput enabling seamless 8K streaming. Optimized for high-density scenarios like stadiums, concerts. Renewable energy and electric vehicles. Renewable energy, rapid growth of affordable solar and wind power. Residential commercial solar roofs and renewable microgrids. Improved battery storage enabling reliable renewable power. Electric vehicles, EVs going mainstream with longer ranges and rapid charging. Ubiquitous public charging infrastructure in cities' highways. Online services and e-commerce. Telehealth enabling remote doctor consultations and virtual care. Online education e-learning platforms for remote hybrid learning. Convenience of online shopping with fast, reliable deliveries. Personalized AI, AR virtual shopping experiences. Advanced logistics with robotics, drones, autonomous delivery vehicles. Let's see what conclusion we get from this topic. Technology is reshaping our daily lives through AI, smart devices, and immersive experiences. Rapid connectivity enables innovations across industries but also ethical debates. As societies adapt to accelerating technological change, we must balance its benefits while mitigating downsides to create equitable progress. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. Follow us for more updates on our social media channels. Thanks for watching. Explore our YouTube channel for more videos.